Hi guys, it's Lisa here, your independent Scentsy director. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a little video that's a little bit different. So a lot of times I just kind of share some of my favorite Scentsy products with you guys. It's kind of similar to that. So I'm gearing up in a couple of weeks to attend SFR, which stands for Scentsy Family Reunion. That's kind of Scentsy's as a company. It's sort of like our company-wide convention, I guess you could call it, every summer that we do. Now normally we get to meet up with all of our friends and family in the Scentsy community, but sadly this year they made the tough decision to go virtual again this year because they had to make the decision on what they were going to do for Scentsy Family Reunion months ago when things were kind of shut down still. So they had to make that tough call. So it is virtual this year, but Scentsy likes to throw some surprises our way. And so what they did was they sent us out a little sort of gift box if we registered for SFR this year. Cute, right? 2021 Family Reunion. Every year they have sort of a theme that goes with the conference. So this year the theme is Lift. It's really a pretty sort of logo. I'll try and add it maybe to the end of my video here so you can see that too. But I wanted to do a live unboxing to show you what was in here because Scentsy always kind of does fun little things, and so I wanted to share that with you guys and share the experience. Okay, so I have not opened this. This just came literally on my doorstep a couple of minutes ago. So I'm gonna open this up here and see. Oh, look. So Scentsy's logo is kind of the butterfly, so that's kind of neat. I love the interactive box. I think it's really pretty. So when you open it, there you see part of the L-I-F, and then the T is over here. So there's your lift. I love it, love it, love it. So I guess we just open up this part. Right? Okay, so goodness gracious. So here's a couple of things. Magic Flyer Butterfly. This is different. Magic Flyer Butterfly flies up 20 feet in the air. Use again and again. Hold one end, wind it together, place in a book or under an object. When released, watch it fly high. Interesting. So we've got two of those in here. That's kind of neat. We also have, they give us a lanyard, and I know this seems a little bit silly because this is a virtual thing, but this is something that Scentsy consultants, if you're in the Scentsy community, you know it's kind of a big deal. It's something that we all love because we can recognize each other with our lanyards and kind of see at a glance what our accomplishments have been. And it's kind of neat because it's sort of like a way of sharing that with other people because you should be proud of your accomplishments, right? So they give us a lanyard to even wear at home, but we can take pictures and share it among Scentsy friends as well. So there's a couple of things we can put on the back of here. Here is the lanyard for this year. Every year it's a little different. I actually have a collection. This is my 4th Scentsy Family Reunion that I've attended. Last year was virtual and this year. So there's our little lanyard, super cute. I love the color this year. And then at the bottom of our lanyards, this is something that Scentsy consultants love. And I love these too. So we have little ribbons, and you can see that they have like a sticky thing on the top so you can stack them all in a row, and these hang off the bottom of our lanyard. So these are just some things. There's my title. So within Scentsy, I'm a Scentsy director. We have Accelerated Leadership Graduate. That was a leadership program that we did, so I graduated from that. So I have 2 Lifetime PRV. So we have Lifetime PRV, that's basically our sales. So I've had, if you add those two together, over $140,000 in dollars in Scentsy sales. Let's see. Okay. So this year I earned the Annual Sales Excellence Award, which is $30,000 in a calendar year. So I've earned that, but I've also earned it 4 times. So I have that there. So I've earned that 4 years in a row. A trip qualifier, so I actually just earned the Disney incentive trip with Scentsy. We just got back a couple of weeks ago from that. It was amazing. And then it has our country that we are a Scentsy consultant in because Scentsy is a global company. So that's pretty cool. I will add all of those together and add them to my lanyard later on. Oh my gosh, they even have like branding underneath the sort of lift out of the boxes. That's so cute. Oh, my favorite. Oh my God. You guys, did you see that? I don't even know if I got that on camera, but they surprised me. My heart is racing right now because they had one of the butterflies in when I lifted the box. It was underneath there. Good gracious. Now that I had my cardio workout for the day. Breathe, Lisa, breathe. Gotta love the fact that that's on camera. All right, so here's my favorite thing. I love Scentsy stationery. The only thing that I'm missing, and I'm kind of sad, is we have no pens this year. I collect Scentsy pens. I know, I'm weird like that, but I have a collection of all of them. So this is the first year we don't have a pen, but I love, love, love these little things. I love the notebooks that you can take all sorts of notes because they give us tons of training. Oh, wow, it's 3D. Cool, look at that. Lift in there. Let's see if there's anything inside there. Oh, they have little stickers that you can add to it. Oh, I love. So they have little designs on each of the pages that you can take notes and share ideas with friends. I love that. And last but not least, whew, no more surprises in the box. Good Lord. Okay. We also have a t-shirt this year. I love Scentsy t-shirts. I mean, I'm a sucker for a free t-shirt. It doesn't matter what it is, but there is our beautiful lift design for the t-shirt this year. I kind of love that. I really like the color of the shirt too. Awesome. So that is what is in the Scentsy box this time. Good heavens, my heart is still racing from that. That scared me. So I can't wait. I'm gonna surprise my kids with these and try and hide them somewhere so they get to find them as well. So I'm gonna go do that because they are still sleeping right now, and I'm gonna wake them up and give them a surprise. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing of our Scentsy Family Reunion kits this year. I'm really excited to be able to share virtually with all of my other Scentsy consultant friends and home office staff and all of the other people involved in the Scentsy community. If this is something that you would like to get involved in as well, please let me know, reach out. I'd be happy to help you out or see if it would be a good fit for you. I'm always happy to answer questions because I do feel that knowledge is power, because not every direct sales company is built the same. And so I feel like it's really important to do your research and make sure you connect with a sponsor that you just have a good fit with, right? I think that's important. And so if that is something you think you might be interested in, feel free to reach out and we can check that out for you and answer any questions that you might have. So until next time, my friends, always remember to be kind to one another and keep smiling. See you soon.